Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to save your Snapchat photos on your device using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using your Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Snapchat app. And by the way, there are two ways to do this. Okay? So the first way to do this, so just go ahead and take a photo. And you can see the download option at the lower left corner of your screen. So just go ahead and long press that. And here you can see save this snap to memories or memories and camera roll. So if you want to save it on your device, just go ahead and choose the second option, the memories and camera roll. And now this photo is saved on your device. Okay, so the second way is to go ahead and click on the album option at the left side of the capture button. Now click on the photo that you want to save. Long press on that. Click on export or send snap. Now here at the share elsewhere, you just need to swipe it until you see the download option. So just go ahead and click on that. And now this photo is saved on your device. So that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.